Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 2 of Library 101. This is going to be a really quick video just to give you a broad overview of the research that you're going to be doing in this class, because we're going to start that this week. So although you're not doing a full research paper for Library 101, you will be finding sources, a total of 5 sources on a topic. And those sources will be aimed at answering a specific research question that you identify on your topic. And then the final research related assignment will be a report back, presentation to your classmates, which can be really take any form. I've had students do infographics or illustrations or videos or just text, whatever form you want that to take. You could do a podcast, just anything to present the results of your research, including a thesis statement, so an argument that you would make that's sort of a response or an answer to your research question. So this will all make more sense as you engage with the course material, especially this week. But for this week's assignment, you will be choosing your topic. You will be identifying the specific research question that you want to ask about that topic. And then you will be looking for a background information source that gives you just sort of a broad overview of that topic as it relates to at least part of your research question. So depending on how detailed your research question is, your background source might only provide you a brief overview of sort of part of it. So for example, if I were doing a research question on climate change, like let's say, how does climate change affect marine life in California? And if I found just a background research source from an encyclopedia that addressed climate change more generally, that would be fine for this assignment. Then I would get into more detailed research that more directly addresses my research question in following weeks in the course when we do the in-depth research. So you will also start with practicing citations this week. So the standard citation style that we use for this class is MLA, that stands for Modern Language Association, the 8th edition, and that's what all of the instructions are using that citation style. If you want to use a different citation style, such as APA or something else, just let me know and we can make arrangements for you to do that. Citation styles are related, as you'll also learn in the class, to different disciplines or fields of study. You are certainly welcome to choose a topic and do research in this class that will help you in another assignment. Like let's say you have a research assignment for a psychology class. You can sort of connect the two assignments as long as your research for the other class does not require an annotated bibliography. So that's a bibliography with the citations for all of your sources and a description of each source, along with an evaluation of its credibility and how it might help address your research question. So if you have an identical type of assignment in another class, then you'll have to choose different topics because you can't do the same assignment, submit the same assignment for 2 courses. But if you just have a research paper for another class, since we're not doing a paper, you could choose the same topic. So I suggest you choose something that interests you, something that a topic that you're interested in engaging with for the next 7 weeks until the end of this class. If you need help thinking of a topic, you can always use the library chat or you can reach out to me. And if you have any questions, as always, about this assignment this week, the background research assignment, or about anything else for the class, just let me know. Thanks and have a good week.